Hello Kanna, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I am completely fine as well. I know that you all are very curious after reading the title of this video and also after looking at the question on my screen that whether it is compulsory to do CA, CS or CMA to become a good tax and accounting professional in India. Today, after being in tax and accountancy practice myself for more than 5 years, I am going to share with you my honest opinion, and also to overcome the problems I am going to share with you a pleasant surprise at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now, coming to the two major questions asked by the students. Question number 1 is that, sir, if I am not doing CA, CS or CMA, or even if I am doing CA, CS or CMA but not able to qualify, will I still be able to become a tax and accounting professional in India? Can I do tax practice in India? And number 2, the students ask, even if I am able to become a CA or a CS or a CMA, there are already so many firms doing tax and accountancy practice. How will I be able to compete with them, upskill myself and give good service to the clients and make my practice successful? So to answer both of these questions, firstly you have to understand what is tax and accountancy practice. Tax and accountancy practice, or you can also call it the traditional tax practice, consists of four major components Kanna: compliance, consultancy, litigation and audit. What is compliance? Compliance means complying with the law and filing the returns as per law. For example, maintaining the books of accounts properly, filing income tax returns, TDS returns, GST returns, labor law returns, etc. Then, what is consultancy? Consultancy means helping the client to understand the law and also solving their queries. Third one is litigation. Litigation means the client will have disputes with the department. So we have to help the clients to resolve those disputes, to prepare their replies and represent them before the department. And fourth one is audit. Audit means checking whether the compliances are done properly and giving the report to the management. Now, to do all these four components, do we actually need a qualification? Answer is no. To do most of the things, we don't need any qualification. For example, for compliance and consultancy, no qualification is required. Even a graduate can do compliance and consultancy. Then when it comes to litigation, there are two branches. One is drafting the replies and workings. For this, qualification is not required. However, there is another branch where you have to represent the client before the department. In this case, qualification is required. You have to be a CA, CS, CMA or a lawyer to represent the clients. However, there are certain exams that you can pass under the respective act, and if you are passing those exams, you can represent the clients before the department. Hence, in representation also, without a qualification, you can still do representation. Now when it comes to audit, there are two types of audit Kanna: statutory and non-statutory. Statutory audit means income tax audit, audit under the Companies Act, etc. These can only be done by chartered accountants. So for this, qualification is compulsory. However, for other types of audit like internal audit, GST audit, etc., for this qualification is not required. Hence you can see that for the major types of works, qualification is not required. Hence, even if you are not a CA, CS or CMA, still you can have a successful tax and accounting practice. Now comes the question, what is required to have a successful tax and accountancy practice? And the answer to this question is skill and network. To become successful, you need the skills and the network. Skill means having the practical knowledge of the compliance of the law and also the procedures. And network means communicating your skills to the people who are going to pay you. For example, your employers or the firms with whom you are going to collaborate with, or the clients to whom you are going to give your services. Now, to acquire the skills, one solution is articleship. However, if you are just a graduate, you would not have done articleship, or if you are doing CA, CS or CMA, but if you have not passed the intermediate examination, you will not be able to do the articleship. Sometimes, even if articleship is done, what happens is that the firm departmentalizes the student into only certain areas. For example, categorizing certain student only in statutory audit. In such case, they are not able to have exposure in tax and accountancy. And in some cases, even after articleship is done properly in the respective areas, the student lack confidence and exposure to have their own practice because they need to upskill themselves and refine their knowledge. Now, for both the problems, that is to acquire the necessary skill and to have a good network, we have come up with the solution, and that is our collaboration with Taxmen. Taxmen is the largest company that serves the tax and accounting professionals throughout India. It is a huge brand, and today I am privileged to collaborate with Taxmen to provide the necessary skills to our students. Earlier, I was only focusing on the courses related to CA, but now I am also trying my best to give the necessary skills also to the students so that they can become a successful tax and accounting professional. We have collaborated with Taxmen to provide the Taxmen Academy's TAP course, that is Tax and Accounting Professional course. And there is an exclusive offer only for the subscribers of this channel, which I am going to reveal in just a couple minutes. So make sure to stay with me till the very end. So there are 3 levels in this course, Kanna: Foundation, Advanced and Master. The Foundation course is the best place to begin acquiring the skills. It is best suited for the graduates or the students who have not done their articleship, or the students who have done their articleship but do not have adequate exposure in taxation and accountancy. In this course, you will learn maintenance of books of accounts, GST returns, GST registration, income tax returns, TDS returns, labor law compliances, etc. Then, what about the advanced course? The advanced course is the course where you are going to upskill yourself, upgrade yourself, and learn the intricate things which are on the advanced level. It is best suited for the students who have already done their articleship in taxation and accountancy and they want to refine their knowledge and upgrade their skills. Here you will be learning things like GST refunds, GST cancellation procedure, error resolution, and also tax audit level understanding of income tax. Then the master level is for the professionals who want to do expertise in certain areas. Fine. Now, what about the format? The format of the classes will be live plus recording. So the live classes will run from 3 to 6 months and recording will be available for 1 year, which you can watch any number of times. And the good news is that for advanced level, the live course is just going to start within a month, and for foundation level also the live classes is going to follow up very soon. The duration will be 3 to 6 months. The language of the course will be in English because Taxmen is a pan-India company. The doubt solving in case of live classes will be immediate, and in case of recordings it will be done in 1 to 2 working days. Sir, will we get certificate? Answer is yes. You will get certification which you can proudly show on LinkedIn and also make it a part of your CV. Sir, will Taxmen give any placement support? Answer is yes. Taxmen is having a huge network of firms throughout the country and they will help you as much as possible to get placed in your dream firm. Then, sir, what about the pricing? The pricing and all other details about the course is mentioned in the link in the description. So just click the link, you will see all the other details. All your questions will get resolved, and the pricing is already discounted right now, and over and above the discounted pricing you are going to get another discount which is only available for our subscribers. So while making the purchase, use the coupon code EDUNANBAN and you will get an extra 10% discount on your order. So make sure to avail this special discount just for our students, and I hope that you find this course useful and helpful for your career as a tax and accounting professional. So see you in the next video, dear. Till then, take care. Bye bye.